Hello. 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 Can I just see them in the photo?
That's why you think when we've got food.
Oh yeah. Hello.
You're saying that I can't take photos. Have you still got that?
Can't see anyone in there. Really? Oh, they're further up. Found it. What bird is that? Lilac-breasted roller. Ah, birdoos. This place is seriously massive. They're just different coloured quails, aren't they?
How you should breed quails. Obviously they're not. That must be a baby.
Yeah, I've got a map. Where? Oh, there he is.
Edward's pheasant. I was recording a video. Like, first time I was recording.
Hello. Nice music.
That's not
Good. No.
Is that a hummingbird? Is that a hummingbird?
Oh, it's a Victoria Crown Pigeon.
He's got a little friend down there with him. Normal pigeon.
Is that a pigeon?
They're pigeons.
That's what it says on here. The red winged star in there as well, isn't it?
Hello. Hello. Is he grooming himself?
Just did.
Do it again, do it again. Ooh.
You're annoying him.
Oh, did you get it?
Yeah, that's what I think of the
That's one.
Where did that come from? What's the on it? That's one leg.
You're going to have the ice cream with it.
So we're literally in a bird aviary.
Yeah.
That's cool. There. Oh, he's gone. Amazing. It's like proper proud little bird, isn't he? The white one. Pish. Is your phone okay?
Yeah.
Guess what, guys? We're in a rainforest. Haha. All the puns are intended. How handsome are
Oh
you?
my God. Hello. Hiya. Hi. Hello. You good? Good morning. Good morning.
How's it been? How's it been? Is it raining?
Hello, Cody.
Hello. How did you know my name? Oh my God, that's amazing. How did you know my
Cody?
Hello. What's your name?
Who's Cody? Hello.
You say hello, Jamie Lee. Hello. Say hello, Jamie Lee. Jane.
Happy birthday.
Hello.
Gorgeous.
Hello. Hello.
Mwah.
They're amazing.
Goodbye.
Hello.
Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Hi.
Bye bye. Hello, gorgeous.
Oh, right in the eye. Raindrop in the eye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. He looks a bit like a statue.
Wait.
Yeah, that's right.
This would be for me, wouldn't it?
This is good.
Oh, I want to put my face in the penguin.
What? That's rude. Oh, I see what you mean.
You think everything.
Oh, I put my hand in a cobweb.
Ha!
It's so pretty.
use their talons. It is their sort of key weapon of choice, basically. It's the talons that they use for killing. Very rarely do owls use their beak to catch and kill their prey. It's always their talons. And a big owl, like Mozart, his talons aren't quite so sharp as some of the smaller owls because he's got the momentum. So when he flies down and hits that prey item, we go and take it up. It's very useful for biologists out in the field because if they find pellets on the floor, they not only know what bird that pellet came from, they can also tell what that bird has been eating. So there's another species of eagle owl, the European eagle owl, which is actually the biggest owl on the planet by weight. They have actually been introduced into the UK, so they're native throughout Europe and Asia. Falcon Downs, it does get quite cold, so all of his sort of usual food, small mammals and birds, will either migrate or hibernate. So he will turn over logs and rocks and things like that to look for any mollusks or bugs and grubs or crustaceans or anything like that underneath those items, in order to find that a little bit extra to supplement his diet with. He's also got a very close association with seabirds as well, particularly penguins. He's not afraid to go down into the burrow of a penguin in order to find himself a nice penguin egg, or maybe even a penguin chick, and he's just gone down into his burrow, and look at that, he's got himself a nice little penguin chick. So it's not a real penguin chick, but we all gasped in horror. It is actually available in our gift shop if you would like to take one home. His Avery one day, and he just started playing it himself, so he knows that if he pulls the sticks out, the food's going to fall down, and then he can just reach underneath and get the food. And he's actually done it, and I think he's probably beat his time record as well today. So a nice big round of applause for Stanley. Now this is actually the hard face. And the point of the facial disc is basically to bounce noise that's hitting her face into her ears to allow her to be able to hear really, really sensitively. Hearing is an owl's key sense. It's the same for Mozart as well. Despite having such big eyes, it is actually their hearing that they are used when they're out hunting to pinpoint exactly where their dinner is. Now, basically, Dottie can hear with that facial disc. She can actually hear around about 10 times more sensitively than you guys can. So that means that if Dottie swallow it down, they'll swallow it down bit by bit by bit. So the head of the snake will be in their stomach. Food goes up, and he catches it, and he gets a nice big round of applause. That excellent catch. So, is Sheila on site?
Yes, she's doing a proper Australian kookaburra and a eucalyptus tree.
Ah, she's being a proper Australian kookaburra up in a eucalyptus tree. So basically when you saw Harold flying along, he flies with his head pointing forwards in the direction of flight. He's also got both of his eyes on the front of his head, and that's very important. That's called binocular vision.
Hello. How's it going? How's your missus? How's your missus?
Which is called underwater flying, which again a couple of them are actually doing it this afternoon for you. This is where their speed and agility comes into play, so they can actually reach up to about 20 miles per hour and dive down to about 50 meters deep. And they do this by using a nice round torpedo-shaped body and those powerful flippers on the side of their body. So penguins are in fact birds, however, instead of flying through high up in the sky, they have to thrive through the water. And they do this by using a nice flippers on the side of their body, which is made up of bone and muscle, and it just helps them to propel through the water a lot more quicker when out catching that fish. Now they do have a third type of swimming style, which is called porpoising. So it's a bit like what a dolphin or a porpoise would do, going in and out of the water at high speeds. They most likely use this when they're a little bit excited here at Birdworld, especially when the sun is out, but quite a few of them are actually excited and in the water this afternoon. So they mainly use it on non-fishing trips as well to help save their energy and their breath, but they also use it to escape predators in the wild, so that up and down.
Is it done? Yeah. You take him home.